Are you looking for the top 5 essential woodworking tools under $50? If you're diving into woodworking but don't want to break the bank, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Wettol's Corner Clamp. Let's kick things off with the Wettol's Corner Clamp, which you can grab for just $13.99. This caught my eye because it's specifically designed to hold your wood projects at a perfect 90-degree angle. If you want precision and ease of use while making frames or cabinets, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This clamp is made of durable polyamide, which means it's built to last through your projects. It can handle boards with thicknesses from 3/16 to 3/4, so whether you're working with thin or thicker pieces, it's got you covered. Plus, with its strong spring tension, it keeps everything nicely in place while you're screwing or gluing things together. No more awkward shifting or misalignments. Honestly, it's already sold over 2,000 units in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about it being a bit tough to open at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the tension actually helps keep the board secure, so I wouldn't consider that a deal breaker. It may just take a bit of practice. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to tackle DIY furniture or framing projects. Skip this one if you need something for larger scale woodworking, since it's really best for smaller tasks. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the corner clamp's slight... Product number 2, Jorest Contour Gauge. Next up is the Jorest Contour Gauge, priced at $13.99. What grabbed my attention is its ability to replicate shapes and contours, which is super handy for all sorts of woodworking projects. If you want to make precise cuts without the guesswork, this is definitely worth a look. This gauge has a double-sided scale in both inches and centimeters, making it easy to get exact measurements. The 0.05-inch thick blades give you the accuracy you need to tackle odd shapes without any hassle. Imagine trying to fit a tile around an irregular corner. This tool can save you loads of time and frustration. Also, it's made of high-quality ABS plastic, which is not only strong, but also waterproof and wear-resistant. No wonder it's become a staple for over 1,000 buyers this past month. Now, I did notice some reviews mentioning it can feel a bit flimsy, but here's my take. As long as you handle it with care, it performs excellently. It's not meant for heavy-duty industrial use, but for DIY projects, it shines. This is perfect for you if you're working on flooring or any project that requires precise shape replication. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty tasks, as it might not hold up under extreme pressure. For $13.99, it's an awesome tool to have in your arsenal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list is a contour gauge that might be even better for those tricky cuts. Product number 3, Saker Contour Gauge. Now let's talk about the Saker Contour Gauge, priced at $19.98. What I love about this one is its locking feature that keeps the shape in place for accurate tracing. If you're tackling complex designs or need consistent results, this is worth checking out. This gauge is great for measuring all sorts of shapes. Think winding pipes or intricate moldings. Its adjustable feature allows you to capture height variations, which really comes in handy for those uneven surfaces you often encounter in woodworking. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's lightweight but durable, making it a go-to for any DIY enthusiast. And with over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many others agree. However, a few users mentioned that the locking mechanism can be a bit tricky to operate at first. Now, I'll be real with you. While it might take a few tries to master, once you do, it really enhances the tool's functionality. So if you're patient, you'll get a lot of value out of it. This is perfect for you if you're involved in detailed woodworking projects and need to replicate complex shapes. Skip this one if you're just doing basic cuts, since its features might be overkill for simpler tasks. It's a solid investment for $19.98. Now, if you're looking for something that really simplifies the setup... Product number 4, Comfy Lychee Table Setup Blocks. Next, we have the Comfy Lychee Table Setup Blocks, available for $27.98. What caught my eye about this product is that it includes 14 precision setup bars that can help you with height, depth, and angle measurements. If you want to streamline your woodworking setup, this is worth a serious look. These blocks are crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, which means they're not just durable, but also easy to handle. Each block offers precision up to 0.001 inches, which is crucial when you're trying to get everything just right.
You can use these for setting router bit height or even checking the depth of your workpiece, which saves you time and ensures accuracy across your projects. Plus, with over 800 units sold in the last month, it's getting a lot of attention for a reason. Some users noted that they wish the blocks came in larger sizes. Here's the thing though, they're designed to cover a wide range of tasks, and for most hobbyists, they'll be more than sufficient. If you're looking to take your woodworking to the next level, these blocks are a fantastic addition. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance accuracy and reduce setup time on your projects. Skip this one if you're just a casual DIYer who doesn't need precise measurements.
Product number 5, AOFTAR Magnetic Wristband. Last but not least, we have the AOFTAR Magnetic Wristband, which is an absolute steal at just $8.99. What I love about this wristband is its ability to keep your screws, nails, and bits organized and within easy reach. If you've ever dropped a screw while working, you know how frustrating that can be. This wristband features 20 powerful magnets, making it easy to keep all your small metal parts secure while you work. It's made from durable 1680D ballistic polyester, which feels comfortable on your wrist, and the adjustable closure fits a range of sizes. It's a handy tool for any DIY enthusiast, whether you're working on furniture assembly or home repairs. With over 300 units sold recently, it's clear that people are loving this practical option. However, a few customers mentioned that the magnets could be stronger. Here's the thing though, while they might not hold up against heavy tools, for small parts they work just fine. So if you're just looking for something to keep your screws organized, you'll be happy with this wristband. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of DIY projects and want to keep your fasteners handy. Skip this one if you're looking for something to hold larger tools, as it's really designed for smaller parts. At $8.99, it's a fantastic addition to your toolkit.
So, to recap, we've covered the Weddell's corner clamp, the Jorast contour gauge, the Saker contour gauge, the Comfy Lychee table setup blocks, and the AOFTAR magnetic wristband. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Saker contour gauge because of its locking feature and versatility for detailed projects. I'd recommend avoiding the Comfy Lychee setup blocks if you need larger sizes, as they might not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below.